I bought this junky old Datsun and fixed it up using only the cheapest parts available, by myself in my garage at home. I learned how to weld, how to tune. What was meant to just beat Mustangs and Camaros at the drag strip is now facing off with some of the quickest grudge racing cars in DFW. Greetings folks, Steve here, and welcome to the Master of Machines YouTube channel, home of Ol Goldie, the 2JZ swap Datsun. This is gonna be our Chronicles of Grudge Racing series. High stakes, high dollar, heads up, grudge racing action involving Ol Goldie and some local competitors here at the local drag strips. First thing coming at you this week, we got a showdown against a turbo pickup truck from the Split Performance group. Split Performance is a local performance shop. The driver and owner of the truck's name is Dakota, and he does a lot of racing. This guy gets a lot of wins, and he is always outside racing somebody in either his pickup truck or his Fox body. Well, we got a race locked in with Ol Goldie. You know where it's going down at, the one and only Yello Belly, the gut. So me and Dakota have faced off before a little over a year ago at Yello Belly. But recently he found me at the track and he's ready to get his lick back. Here's round two.
All right, boys, we're going up for a $2,000 garage race. That's. Where you go? Where the fuck you go? No. All right. So what? 200 more, or y'all gonna do it? Pick up a little side bill with it.
You got the glue?
I haven't been using it. Huh? I haven't been gluing.
Mikey has the glue. Hey.
You don't have glue? I haven't used it. Yo, you don't want it? No. No
okay.
glue.
Okay. Okay.
So wait, just the water burnout? One burnout. Water? I'm gonna spin them in the water, and then I'll do a burnout.
Oh, he's insane. He is insane. Just in case, if you change your mind, let me know.
I haven't used it in weeks.
Okay, all right.
Come on, Steve!
This happens every time. No matter how confident I am, no matter how prepared I am, right at this moment, it always feels like it's all gonna come crashing down.
Oh! Motherfucking captain! Motherfucking captain! The goddamn captain! Boom!
baby! The motherfucking captain is back, baby! Holy fucking shit! Oh my god! You guys, you have, man, you have no idea. I just beat my personal best Yello Belly time by 4/10 of a second. In a fucking grudge race for $2 grand for me and my freaking boys, son. Let's go! He did not think Goldie was gonna show up and do that shit right there. Nobody did, except my fucking crew. My boys that believe in me are the only ones who thought Goldie could do that shit. Bro, you guys don't have any clue what I just ran. It's insane.
Damn, motherfucker said fuck glue. I'm gonna do a fucking water burnout. I'm gonna go A to B. I had Dakota drove that motherfucker too. It got swirly. But
y'all nigga had me in the beam for like a whole ass fucking like 10 seconds, bro.
Wait, what? Let's play that back.
I don't think it was 10 seconds.
Yeah.
Nah, it wasn't 10 seconds.
I mean, that shit was long. My shit pulled up instantly. Y'all trying to burn me down and shit.